A very good morning to all of you. I wish everyone is safe and healthy. I'm Dr. Sandeep R, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru. Today, I'm presenting the topic near duplicate video retrieval. This will be the outline of my talk. Uh, First, I'll be telling what is near duplicate videos, problems of near duplicate videos, and the possible solution to overcome that problem. What is perceptual video hashing, its properties, existing methodologies, and some of the algorithms that I have proposed. And then finally, we will see that how near duplicate video retrieval can be implemented using perceptual video hashing. And finally, we will conclude and see what work can be done in the future in this area. Okay, first let me tell that what is the problem of near duplicate videos. You know that due to the rapid growth in the VLSI technology and the internet, in addition to that, there is a number of software tools that are available to edit, produce, and modify the videos, right? Because of all these things, the number of near duplicate videos has exponentially increased. Let me tell you a fact. According to Susan Wojcicki, the CEO of the YouTube, 400 hours of video are uploaded on the YouTube by users every minute as on July 2015. Now we are in July 2020. I am sure that this would have been doubled or tripled. Now you can imagine the amount of videos that are being uploaded on the YouTube. Okay. Now to add on to this, people maliciously modify the download video and upload it back to the same database server. What will this lead to? This leads to the violation of copyrights. It adds redundancy to the database on the database, and it also burdens the server. Thus, there is a strong need for the perceptual content of the video to be checked by the system before granting permission to the user for uploading the video. So that means now before I want to upload any video on the say YouTube, it should pre-process, it should check whether this video is already there in the database or not. If it exists, then it should reject. If it is not, then it should accept it. Now we have to see that how robustly it can check those things. So with this, we can also say that by checking all these things, we'll achieve video copyright protection and also efficient video database management. Now let us present another thing that, see, you might have come across that whenever you want to search something on the YouTube, say you give a text-based query, right? And whenever you do that, this search results in a lot of irrelevant videos and near duplicate videos in addition to the video of interest that you wanted to see. Now, an experiment was conducted on video search in Google Video, Yahoo Video, and YouTube by giving a text-based query of 24 popular videos, and found that on an average there are 27% redundant videos that are duplicate or nearly duplicate to the most popular version of a video in the search results. I'm sure that most of you also have experienced, because you search for something, the title would be same but the contents would be different, and you wanted to search for something very specific but you are bombarded with near duplicates and in addition to irrelevant videos, right? So this again indicates that there is a strong need for the search related to the query video to be ranked or ordered based on the perceptual content of the video rather than the metadata alone. Okay. So the near duplicate video retrieval system in turn can be used for the following applications: copyright protection, video monitoring, video recommendation, and video re-ranking. Now, we have been talking the near duplicate video, in short NDV, and also I have introduced the near duplicate video retrieval system, that is in short NDVR. Let me formally introduce the definition of near duplicate videos existing in the literatures. So it is a definition. I'll read it out as it is. Identical or approximately identical videos close to the exact duplicate of each other but different in file formats, encoding parameters, photometric variations, that is color or lighting changes, editing operations, insertion of caption, logo and border insertion, different lengths and certain modifications such as frames addition or removal. All these things, whatever you do, all these operations, they are called as near duplicate videos to the original one. This was proposed by Wu et al. Let us see the next definition of near duplicate video. Clips that are similar or near duplicate of each other but appear differently due to various changes introduced during capturing time, camera viewpoint and setting, lighting condition, background, foreground and so on. Transformations, video format, frame rate change, resize, then shift, crop, gamma modifications, contrast modifications, brightness modifications, saturation, blurring, age, sharpening and so on. And editing operations, frame insertion, deletion, swap and content modification. Whatever you do, content preserving modification, whatever you do, all these things will be called as near duplicate videos. This was proposed by Shen et al. Okay, so in simple terms, if two videos are looking similar to the human eye and they convey the same meaning, then we can call it as near duplicate videos or perceptually similar videos. So these terms will be interchangeably used throughout the talk. Okay, fine. Now then you may think, okay, so we have said that, okay, so number of near duplicate videos have increased. So there are, whenever I try to search, I get a lot of irrelevant ones, and then if I want to protect it, somebody maliciously modifies and upload, so there is copyright violation and all these problems, right? Then what could be the solution? One possible solution is that we can generate a short and fixed perceptual hash for a video based on its perceptual content and use it for indexing the near duplicate videos. That means what? A digital signature should be generated based on the perceptual content. Based on its actual content, you generate a compact digital signature for a given video and then use it for indexing the near duplicate videos. Let us shortly discuss the general framework of a near duplicate video retrieval system. Basically, it consists of three major components: fingerprint generation, fingerprint management, fingerprint search. So the perceptual hash of the video may be used as a fingerprint for content-based retrieving, efficient database management by removing near duplicate videos from the database if the perceptual contents of the videos are same. That means if they're already there, we can try to retrieve it and then remove it so that we can save the space and manage the database effectively. Video copyright protection and video authentication. So by using the perceptual hashing technique, we are able to solve these many problems. What are that? I can manage the database effectively, copyright protection, and then authenticate the video. Okay, but you might be wondering then what is the perceptual video hashing or perceptual hashing? So how do I get that, or how do I extract that for a video? So we will see that in the next session, but currently we will see the framework, general framework of a near duplicate video retrieval system using perceptual hashing technique. There are various other methods. Say for example, the signatures can be generated based on low level features, global features, summarize the video and then generate a signature from it. Then you can have a keyframes extract the keyframes for a given video, then do some transformations or apply some operations on the keyframes, and then extract a digital signature. So there are various possible methods available to extract the digital signature for a video. But today we are seeing how we can use the perceptual hashing technique to extract the digital signature from a video based on the perceptual content. Okay, so for that we have said that it requires three stages. One is fingerprint generation, fingerprint management, and fingerprint search. Let us see what and all would be there in each of these three stages. Okay, basically these two things can be divided into another broad classifications, like data two phases: database creation phase and video retrieval phase, that is near duplicate video retrieval phase. So let us see, in the database creation phase we have two things. One is fingerprint generation and fingerprint management. Okay, so whenever we are setting up the database, so we'll create a database, so we'll pre-process and normalize it, so that it has less impact on the digital signature of the video. Use perceptual hashing technique to generate the hash from a video based on the perceptual contents and store that digital signature, in other words the perceptual hash, into the database along with the metadata. So the concatenating or appending the metadata and then the perceptual hash together is called as a fingerprint management, whereas pre-processing, normalizing, and then perceptual hash extraction from a video is called as fingerprint generation. All these things will come under database creation phase. Now suppose now this is completely say offline. Now say online, a query video comes, okay, or you want to upload or something like that, then pre-process it, normalize it, extract the perceptual hash, then just see whether this video is already there or not. If it is there, then you say no, the video is already there in the database, and then you don't allow the user to upload into the database. Okay, so if it is there, then you can say that it is already there. You can also say that along with this, okay, these are the videos being present, the near duplicate or the video is there along with its metadata, so that you will not allow the user to upload it. Or if he was searching it, he will put a query by example. Here we are taking query by example. So query by example is put to search that are these video database already there. So suppose now our database is already being there, and now we want to effectively management removing all the near duplicate videos. What we can do is we can put a query video, pre-process it, extract the hash, match it, and then retrieve all those videos and remove the near duplicate videos. In the first case, what I said was disallowing or not allowing the user to upload because a near duplicate video or perceptually similar video was already there in the database. In the second case, what I am telling, I want to make the database effective or efficient. So what I am trying to do, I am giving query by example, then hash is generated, I match it, and I retrieve all the near duplicate videos, and then I remove those things. So two things have been set in these things. Okay, so this is the general framework for a content based near duplicate video retrieval. Okay, and we are using perceptual hashing technique. Okay, so in the next session we will see what is perceptual hashing, its properties, and then we'll see what are the existing methodologies and the algorithms that I have proposed. Thank you for attending the first session. Looking forward to see you in the second session. Thank you.